I make at least 80 cups of puddings every year during Hari Raya, as I have big family and all of them who come over to my place during this festive occasion. Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri. Hi, I am Zaiton. I am working in a logistic company for 24 years and I have a passion for baking and cooking. Ribena pudding is an excellent dessert for this hot Singapore weather. I'm using the Ribena cordial as interval layer of the pudding as it gives a nice vibrant color, while the Ribena pestles give it an extra texture to the overall smooth pudding. After all, who doesn't like chewy treats? The best is to do the jelly the night before to allow the jelly to harden. It is best to mix all the pudding ingredients on slow fire and keep stirring it till it thickens. Cooking for 80 to 100 guests is no easy feat. I will prepare food that I can make in big batches which can be served fast. Pudding is one dessert that combines both likings and everyone from young and old loves it. For smooth texture, it is best to strain it. As my mother-in-law stays with me, all the relatives will head over to my place during Hari Raya. A platoon of about 80 family members will come over the first 2 days, and I will prepare food for all of them. Luckily for me, my lovely daughter, a chef in training, is there to help me. I would say we make the best tag team in the world. I'm sure you want to try my wonderful Ribena pudding. It is a simple recipe and you can impress your family and friends with it. Here's wishing everyone Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri. Maaf Zahiran Batin.